And then Hannah. Elisa. Eliana Medina. Oh, tingnan mo nga yung iba, oh. Sipag na sipag. Ang sipag gumawa, no? Okay? Naka-digi notes pa yung iba. Kahit ano naman, di ba? Sinabi ko pa gawin nyo sa Excel? Hindi. Kahit ano, no? Bakit ginawa ba sa Excel yun? Sinabi ko dyan? Sige, ginawa ko ba sa Excel yung discuss ko sa inyo? Yan, sinan mo to. Ito yung mga suki ko eh, no? Walang mga assignment lagi. Kaka-assignment lang yung mga yan pag may leader, no? There's a group. Stephanie, absenan mo yan. Micaela, merong assignment. Aliana Venice, meron. Yuka, ito yung mga masisipag. Okay. Kaya si chart? Kaya lang vertical, no? Naka-vertical yung kanyang. Pwede pala sa Excel. Ang tsaga naman itong batang ito, no? Sarili, Excel na siya. See? You can explore, no? A lot of, ay my goodness, you people, no? Okay, do not limit yourself, no? You can do beyond what is expected of you. Nakuha niyo? Pansin niyo? Hindi ko tinuro sa Excel and yet the others are exploring. It can be done. Okay, Natasha, may assignment. John Rain, may assignment. Ashley. Pakilagay dyan, Hannah May Hano, assignment, absent. Sabi ko na yung dalawang pangalan. Ashley, may assignment. Parang wala. Ano to? Okay, I think you can survey. Sige, pwede na kayong mag-survey. Poetry is... Okay, John Rain and Ashley, you can survey. Sige. Wala kang assignment, Ashley. Aliyah, may assignment. Anna Faith, may assignment. Ozzy. Charles, walang assignment. Ito yung mga ang tatamad, no? Zyren, walang assignment. Nangyari. Catherine. Sorry, Max. Mami pala to. Jared, walang assignment. Dave, walang assignment. Expected, no? Jacob, walang assignment. Child, walang assignment. Ito yung mga sanay na sanay. Tignan natin, no? Senior high school nyo. Kung gaano kayo kasanay doon, wala kayong assignment sa math. Ano to? Ano na yan? Walang assignment. Emil. Simon, walang assignment. Sean, saan assignment mo? Wala nang assignment yung sunod-sunod. Catherine, walang assignment. Ian, Jaire, ang dami nyo, no? Okay. Nakakabahala kayo, no? John Victor, of course, wala na rin yan. Rob, Renz, sobrang dami, no? Nakakarindi. Narindi na si math teacher. Miles Matthew. Okay. Who else is not there? At lagyan mo sila ng kulang assignment. Hindi ba naintindihan yung assignment? Hindi. Mahirap pang gawin yung assignment. Oh, salita kayo. Otherwise, sino yung layas-layas, mahilig lumayas dyan? 7, Jaire, wala. Samuel, naglalag. 21, Zairen, wala. 28, Pagarigan, wala. Okay, before we can go to that assignment, let's have the other discussions there. Other examples there. Naku po, no? Tatamad-tamad, naku po. Sinasabi ko, no? Sige. Baka gusto nyo humalik sa 74 and 75, no? You wanna kiss 74 and 75? I'll give it to you, no? Okay, this is your assignment, right? Okay, let's explore more, no? What is box and whiskers plot talking about, no? Okay. Box and whiskers plot actually is a descriptive statistics, no? According to my studies or my readings, it is but under descriptive statistics. Likewise, no? When you actually compare it to the normal curve is talking about descriptive also kasi, no? Descriptive statistics. Okay? So you might be asking, si Sir Ramel naman, yung descriptive statistics niya, hindi naman tinuro. Okay. You might find out there, no? In your thesis, if you're gonna be actually doing your methodology, and you tignan nyo siya, ha? Okay. You do not, what do you call this one? Do not have a research design, no? You do not introduce or you do not write any other research design, no? Other than qualitative or quantitative or mix of it. Okay? Baka meron akong mabasa dyan. Causal comparative method. Ha? Okay. Wala naman tinuro si Sir Robin ng ganyan, no? Okay. Me is more of you choosing quantitative and qualitative. Qualitative is never actually discussed by me. I'm not to discuss about it. Hindi naman to ako what do you call this, no? Expert to that one. Qualitative kasi is more of those language teachers. And then meron din halong quantitative of that. Qualitative can be expressed. But for you guys, okay, we concentrated on qualitative. That is why when you choose qualitative, you must, no? You must showing us either descriptive or inferential, no? Statistics. Nakuha. Intindihan? Okay. Ano yung mga nandoon? Ano na naman sa aking bullet? Okay. So itong box and whiskers plot is under descriptive. They say, no? Statisticians say, this is under descriptive. If you want to use that, you may use that, no? Wala namang problem. Okay, let's go. So we're done with this one, no? We're done with this one. And then it says there, The box plot helps in showing the variability or spread of the data. If the box or the whisker is short, if the box kanya, okay, or the whisker is short, then the data are concentrated or has a narrower range of values. Okay, narrower yung range ng values nila. Magkakadikit. No? Magkakadikit. Pag sinabing narrower yung range ng values, halos magkakadikit na yung quartile 1, yung median, at saka yung quartile 3. Okay? That's what you, pag ganyan, hindi na masyadong skewed yan. No? Medyo may pagka normal na talaga yan, distribution. If the box or the whisker is longer, the data has a larger range. Okay, we're talking about, actually the range that we're talking about, the simple range is that how far is the maximum to the minimum, no? Pag ito yung 52, how far is that from your 24? So 52 minus 24, ganyan siya kahaba, no? Okay, it's simple range. Range yung tawag doon. The length of the box is same as interquartile range. Pag nakakita kayo ng box, ayan yung hotdog, ayan yung stick, no? Okay. So we're talking about, tatlo lang naman yan, no? So may sinasabi niyang 5 summary, ha? Okay? Ano naman sinasabi ng 5 summary? Okay, the 5 number summary, this 5 number summary are those, ito po, no? Lima dyan. It's the minimum, medium value, median, and 2 hinges. 2 hinges refers to quartile 1 and quartile 2. 3 rather, no? Median is quartile 2. Okay, let's go here again, no? Or let's go here. Okay. Bakit to naka-divide by 2? Anyone? Bakit yan naka-divided by 2? Yung median. Okay, so easy to actually identify which one is minimum value, maximum value in this data and group. But what is median there, no? Why is it divided by 2? Anyone? Sige. I'm jotting down, no? Hesitations. Bakit divided by 2 yung median? Kailan natin ginagamit yung divided by 2? When do we use divided by 2 and when do we use, and when are we not to use it? No, divided by 2. Anyone? Sige, open your mic.
Sir?
Okay, sige, ano Faith?
We base it on the n po. If the n is even number, then we should divide the two middle terms. We should add the two middle terms and divide it by 2. But if the n is odd number, we just take the middle term po.
Okay, very good. Naintindihan niyo ba siya? Okay, parang hindi, no? Parang you don't actually appreciate the terms, no? Parang you just ignore what is Anna Faith saying. Anna Faith is saying even and odd. Okay? Wala kayong pakialam sa mga ganung matters yata, no? Okay, lalo sa math. What is odd? What is even? What's n, no? Okay. Pag ganun talaga yung hindi ko kayo maintindihan dyan sa bagay na yan, no? Okay, so kayo rin, ha? Kasi sinasabi ko na sa inyo, no? Huwag kayong pipili ng STEM. Baka hindi nyo matapos ang STEM, back to grade 11 kayo, mag-iba kayo ng strand. Okay? Pag hindi nyo appreciate ang mathematics, huwag na lang po kayong mag-STEM. There are other strands for you. Do not attempt, no? Especially in math. Okay, if you think that during elementary years, especially in high school, grade 7 to grade 10, if you think that you are really weak in math, no? do not get STEM anymore. No? Okay, because you might not, no? You might not have that foundation that is very significant. It's vital, no? Kailangan po talaga ang foundation sa math very strong pag nag-STEM kayo. Otherwise, nakaganon lang kayo. Ha? Makatanong na kayong tanong sa mga classmates niyo. Okay? Especially pagka virtual pa rin tayo. Okay, pag sinabing 10, ano siya? Even or odd? Even or odd? Okay.
Even po,
mo,
ma'am. Even po,
yeah.
sir.
Yun po yung even, no? I-divide by 2 ba yan? Yes, sabi ni Faith, no? Okay, bakit? Kasi walang gitnang gitna, no? When we refer to median, it must be the score or the value that is in the very center. If we have to rearrange this from lowest to highest, and it's a range actually, no? It is a range. Okay, but we cannot call this as group. Okay, though it's a range now here, pero kasi hindi ganito ang group data, no? Ang alam natin sa group data, it's naka-arrange by interval, no? Merong class size, may interval siya, may rows, no? Ito kasi is talagang ungrouped. From 10.6, the lowest up to the highest, if you count that, it must be an even, no? Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and then 18.5 somewhere here. I do not know. I will not count anymore. I'm lazy, no? Okay, these two must be in the center. Might be, no? And then they are added together, divided by 2, and then this one now is the median, no? Nakuha. Okay. If this is not even, it is odd, then you can simply say there is a middle, no? Okay, what is that middle? It's the very middle, no? It's in the center. Okay. Nakuha? Okay. And then this one is 7.75. That's quartile 1. And then quartile 3 is there. This is typo, no? This is quartile 3. Bakit ganito? Okay, by interpolation, and then you ended here, no? And then this one is a quartile 3. This is typo error. And then you have this score. And again, no? You do not anymore memorize this, no? Or as long as you can identify which one, no? Which one is that nth, and then the next to nth, and then you can mix them, no? Okay, this is the 23rd, and then this is the 23rd, and then there must be a 24th, no? This is the 24th. This is the 23rd. Okay? Siyempre, mas mataas yung 24th, no? This one. Susunod sa kanya. And then just subtract 0.25 because of that, no? This one. My God. Okay? Again, no? If you stick to this formula, then ganito yan sa math, no? If there is a formula, you do not stick to the formula, especially if you cannot memorize the formula, no? If I were you, stick to the exercises, no? Okay, there's a lot of practice there that should be made, no? Okay, this is formula is saying about this case, no? This is the data. Ang ginagawa niyo po dapat, familiarize yourself, no? How you actually apply the formula. Nakuha nyo? Hindi kayo kailangan memorization of the formula. E paano pag nawala yung formula, biglang naumpog ulo nyo, no? O, paano na yan, no? Wala na. Okay. Hindi na ma-apply, no? Kaya yung formula, naumpog lang ulo nyo, wala na, hindi na ma-apply. So in math really, no? You do not memorize the formula. Kaya nga ako, ayoko nang ano ang formula nito? Naku po, I seldom do actually ask that in your quiz or exams. I do not, no? Okay. See, learning math is not the formula memorization. Learning math is for you to apply the formula, no? Naintindihan. Ganun po lagi ang learning sa math dapat. Isipin niyo yan. Okay? And you must, what do you call this, no? There must be an application that is so easy for you, no? Naiintindihan niyo siya. Hindi yung you live, no? With this formula, memorizing formula, and you actually apply formula anymore without having a real problem, no? Yung word problem rather, wala na. Pag word problem na yan, wala na. Hindi na ma-apply yung mga formulas. Kasi nagkukulang kayo sa application, no? Okay, sige, let's go here now. So in this case, there is but an outlier. Okay? So how do we do the outlier again, no? Outlier is a range, no? Okay. Outlier is a score that actually is beyond, no? Actually, it's like, when you picture it, napaka-skewed na, no? Okay, it's so extreme. Okay, as if you're dropping it. Why? Because it's affecting the descriptive or the, what do you call this one? Statistical values, no, of that data. It is actually giving you a meaning, no, that is beyond. Okay, beyond what you are to expect. Ako ha? Pwede nyo siyang i-drop actually. Okay, sige. Ano to? Okay, so interquartile range ito, Q3 minus Q1. Ayan yung nakuha niyong Q3, Q1, no? 7.83. And then Q1 minus 1.5 times QR. Okay, you have to have the value of the Q1 and then 1.5 should be multiplied by the QR. Because QR is this one, no? 7.83. And then this is the range from there to there. So you can identify if there is outlier. Ito yung outlier, no? So ibig sabihin, wala siya sa range na yan. Please recall, no? I will not ask your leaders there in your group kung paano yung ginawa. Kasi ginawa na natin ito eh. Okay? It's just but a recall. Okay. So this one now is identified outlier at the dot there, which is okay, anong outlier doon? Itong dot na to, outlier dapat to. Ito, dalawa, 3.77 and 35, range pala yan, 35.09. Okay, and then this one is the outlier. Tama ba? Okay, 35.48. So you're starting there, 28.95. This is your maximum, no? And then yeah, 35.45 is this one, no? Outlier is yan. So you identify the outlier there. Okay. So again, we have to actually read this, no? Kasi this is very important. Okay. I do not know if you were going to be using this in your thesis. I do not know. The box or the interquartile range is a bit short. Ito yan, pertaining to that. Which means that the data values are a bit concentrated or not very spread out. Okay, hindi masyadong spread out, right? Okay, if there is your median, might be that there is the mean there, no? Okay, close to that median. So it means to say that all of your scores there, no, those values there is not very spread. Why? Because you've created a short box only, no? Medyo maikli yung a bit short, sabi dyan, kasi yung box mo, it's a bit short. And you see, no, the whiskers are quite bit short. The whiskers are almost of equal lengths, Hence, the distribution is approximately symmetric. Okay, so hindi yan masyadong tailed, no? So approximately symmetric. So this is a normal curve, no? When you actually compare it to the normal curve, this shows that the annual rainfall in the given period is slightly the same or has very close values except for an outlier. Okay, so for the entire period, siguro, pare-pareho lang yung rainfall. Okay, every month, except for an outlier. Okay, yung isa lang naman yan. Feeling ko bagyo na yan, no? Typhoon na yan. Rainfall eh. Okay. You can also get the following information from the box plan. Okay. Kindly read this. And we picture, huh? Okay. Please read that. Sam.
Hello? Okay, so you can also get the following information from the box plot. If the median is close to the center of the box or the whiskers are about of equal length, then the data set is approximately symmetric.
Stop. Okay, let's picture this in the normal curve, no? Okay, let's picture this. If the median is so close to the center of the box or the whiskers are about, it's equal, no? Everything is equal. Center, median. Okay, this is approximately symmetry. So we call this one a normal curve, no? Okay, normal curve. Sorry, a normal curve. Yeah, a normal curve. Normal distribution, approximately symmetry. Okay? Okay. So ha, equal, ha? Ano ba yung whiskers? It's like the stick, ha? Okay. Continue, Sam.
If the median is to the left of the center of the box or the right whisker is longer than the left, then the data set is positively skewed.
Okay. So this is positively skewed. No, just remember, if I'm going to be drawing this one, it might be extending. No, there's a tail, a long tail on the right. Okay, positively skewed. Positively skewed because it's right. No? See the right whisker, no? It's much longer, okay, compared to the left. It's longer, okay? So that is positive skewed. Okay, continue.
If the median is to the right of the center of the box or the left whisker is longer than the right, then the data set is negatively skewed.
Negatively skewed, okay? So negatively, it is extending its tail on the left side. Left whisker is longer. And median is to the right of the center. Okay? See the box, huh? You see the median, where is it stays, no? Is it right or left? It is, but nasaan siya? It is right. It's the opposite. Ha? O ha? Tingnan nyo siya. Left whisker is longer. Left whisker is... Okay, tingin tayo dito. This will appear in the long quiz. Okay, image. Horizontally. Okay, let's have this two, no? Or this three na lang. Okay? So this one is the opposite of this one, right? This one. So this one is positively skewed. Let's go back there, no? This one is positively skewed. Right whisker is longer. And then you check the median, no? Where is the median? The left of the center of the box. Sabi dyan. The median is to the left of the center of the box. So it's the opposite, no? Let's go there. Median is to the left. Okay, it's or, huh? So for this case, it's not. It's not to the left. Okay, so it's okay, no? Okay. So this is a whisker that the whisker is actually positively skewed because it's longer. But this one, when you see this one, you can either say, no, you can either say it is positively skewed, and this one, the left one, no? Sabi dyan, pag nasa right, the median is the right of the, okay. So it's mix of it. Okay, then this one also, if you see this, it's longer, then you say it's negatively skewed. Okay, so this one, okay, there is no contrary, no? But this one, there is a contrary. Must be staying here. The median, this median should be on the left. Sabi dito dapat siya banda. Okay, so we do not know. Okay, so it means to say that the mean, no? The mean or the median rather is staying in here, okay, not close here. So it's more spread here. This is spread, okay? If you see, this is much longer, this one, from median to the quartile one, much spread, okay? You see an area that is, what they call this, bigger in the box, much spread po siya dito, no? Mas spread siya. Okay? Okay, so if the median is to the right of the center of the box or the left, whisker is longer than the right, then the data is negatively skewed. Okay, sige, let's have the other examples. Skip the assignment. Punta tayo dito. Ayan. Okay, so read this one. Emil, pakibasa to.
The amounts of fiber content of the different cereals are close to each other. The amount of sugar contents, however, are very spread out. This shows a big difference among the sugar content of different brands. The fiber content of the cereal brands is skewed to the right, which means that more cereal brands have low fiber content, whereas their sugar content is approximately symmetric. Also, the medians of both fiber
You see, no?
and sugar content are the same.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Amy. You see, now, you said a while ago, no, that if you do have an area like this, okay, it's saying that the sugar content really is spread, no? Spread out. Okay, kasi when you compare, you have the same median, no? And then their content will be, okay, this is more spread. Yan siya. Okay, maganda rin ang whiskers, no? Box and whiskers plot. Okay, you can say here that it is more spread. You can visualize it, no? Like when we say that if you have a standard deviation that is lower, diba? It is but closer. It's closer to the mean. Diba? Naalala niyo yun? Naalala niyo yun? Yung kinocompute natin yung standard deviation. There are two groups. If the standard deviation is lower, it means to say that all the values are not scattered, no? They're not spread, but they are just as close to the mean. Okay? Kasi lower yung standard deviation. But a higher standard deviation, di ba, pag malaki yung na-compute natin doon, ibig sabihin masyadong malayo, no? Okay, lahat ng values masyadong malayo. All of the values are, no? You can picture them as they are too far from the mean. Ano ba yung mean? Average yun, eh, no? It's the ideal score. Not the ideal score, but it's your average, no? Within the group. Okay? That is what you created, the average. It seems like it's the model value for all of your scores. Nakuha? Okay. Pero syempre, We cannot, no? We cannot actually have the control of the mean value. Bakit? Eh, kung mababa kayo. Parang lahat dyan, no? Sige. Let's go. After finding out that there's a lot of you who did not do their assignment, okay, let's guess. Okay, Ozzy, what can you conclude? Okay, what can you conclude? Is spread out ba kayo sa mean or hindi? Ozzy? Ang dami eh, daming di gumawa ng assignment compared to the ones who did not. I do not know, no? Sige. Ilan lang yung na-mention kami assignment. Ozzy? Just a guess, no?
Sir, hindi po siya spread.
Yes. Why?
Sir,
Hello?
kasi mas malaki po yung number nung hindi nagpasa sa nagpasa.
Okay, sige. Feeling ko, anong percentage? Sige. Ano percentage nung mga hindi nagpasa? Yung mga sobrang tamad. O tatamad eh.
70-30 po.
70-30. 70 ang hindi nagpasa, 30 ang nagpasa, no? Ganun ba kadami?
Po.
Okay. Who would like to contradict? Oh, John Ray. Yes, John Ray?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you like to contradict Ozzy's opinion? 70-30, according to her.
No po. I'll agree to it po.
Okay, you agree to that one. Who wants to disagree and reason out? Okay, wala. Sige, forever, no? Forever, keep your silence. Okay, sige, let's go. So this one, no? So it's actually, the box and whiskers plot is ang ganda, no? So you can actually use that for a comparison, especially in this one, no? Constant. If you want to actually compare two groups, may contents, kasi ka chemist siya eh, no? Kaya parang feeling ko kaya niya nagawa ito, no? Si Taki. That's why. Okay, that, for instance, for this one, no? Content of your cereals, no? Okay. Fiber content and the sugar content. Okay, so maganda, no? The fiber content, blah, blah, skewed to the right, which means that more cereal brands have low fiber content, whereas sugar content is approximately symmetric. Also, the medians of both fiber okay, are the same. Okay, so it's like that, no? 1224. Okay, so punta na tayo sa assignment nyo. Sige, punta tayo doon. Ay, sorry, 1225 na. Okay, punta tayo dito kay Madam Ijima. Very good, no? Ang galing. Okay, so ang wow, okay. Maximum, minimum, and median. And then quartile, I do not know, no? Can you just check if you have the same? Okay, I've only open this now. Quartile 1, according to Ishima, should be 325. And then when you interpolate that, that is 24.85. That's the quartile 1 or the first quartile. And then 27. Okay, lakihan ko muna, no? Okay, can you check your work? Tingnan natin kung pareho siya. And then quartile, okay, very good. Ang galing naman itong batang ito, no? And then multiplied by Sige, ang gagaling nyo ng gamamit ng Excel, no? Meron ba outlier dito, Yuka? Meron, wala. Okay, so ang range ay 21.03. Wala. Okay, and then 29. Okay, walang outlier. There's no outlier. And then, curious lang ako, no? Okay, chart. Saan siya kumuha ng chart niya? You can have this chart, no? Ako ha? Okay, again, you can have that chart. Okay, this one is a vertical chart. Okay, so the minimum should be always written down or visualized down, and the maximum is there up, no? Okay, and then this is, okay, I think you can adjust this one. Okay, you can adjust it like this. Oops, parang hindi. Can it be moved? Hindi. Hindi, parang ayaw niya. Kahit i-flip mo siya, hindi. Okay, so an insert. Okay, meron ba dyan? Ano pinili mo dito, Yuka?
Sir, yung box and whisker po.
Ayun yung mismong box and whisk. Okay, very good. Kaya pala siya nagtatanong, sir, sa Excel ba namin yan? Okay, so sa box and whisker, meron bang horizontal? See? Nakakatuwa kayo, no?
Sir, wala po.
Okay, so wala. Ito lang yung mapipili. Walang horizontal. So vertical lang siya. Okay, so walang pagpipilian. Okay, ano ba yan? Ano ba yung nakita ko? Okay, sige. Para na kayong mag-explore dyan, no? So there is but number 2 dapat, ha? Kung makikita. Sige, marami akong checkan during Holy Week. Okay, very good, no? Nakikita pala sa Excel yun. Okay, so that's how whisker plots, no? Be understood or should be understood. So kung hindi pa kayo, yung mga walang assignment, no? Lalabas ito sa long quiz nyo. Lalabas ito sa mga monthly, no? Kasama ito sa monthly. Okay, so pakibasa na lang yan. You might be using that in your thesis. I do not know. Okay? So that's it, no? Basahin nyo na lang yan. I do not give a lot of those, no? Those are excesses. Ang dami naman kasi masyadong pinapagawa dyan. Hindi siya realistic, no? Yung mga exercises yun actually is not realistic. Why? Because I do consider also your effort to your other subjects. That's why, no? If you notice, hindi na nga ako masyado nagbibigay, no? Hindi na ako nagpapa-analyze o hindi na masyadong mabigat yung binibigay ko sa inyo, assignment. Saan na nga lang. Tapos hindi pa kayo gumagawa, no? Okay, saan na naman kayo kukuha ng scores nyo? Saan na naman kukuha si Sir Roman, no? Doon na naman sa pag-group. Okay, pag-group, kawawa ang leaders. Lagi na lang sila, no? Sila na lang bibigyan ko ng grade, hindi na kayo. Pero parang yung pag-group pa rin si Sir Roman, there is learning again, no? Pero you will not. Do you want that? Let's have a group. Leaders will only have these scores. You don't. But you have to learn, no? You are learning. There is a learning there when you are being group. Yun ba yung lagi niyong gusto? Yun ba? Okay, sige. Ano may na-finalize attendance? I know you are itom na rin, no? Okay, sa mga thesis, no? Okay, if you don't feel like you're having the vacation, not feel, but you are there, no? You may either be there in your vacation with your family, somewhere out there, not in NCR or what, and you want to actually concentrate on thesis. Pag meron lang kayong parang gustong itanong, no? Okay, sir, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Okay? May sasagot naman po ako. Naku ha? But please, this is a research, no? You're on your own now to analyze everything. Just remember, no? We have plenty of discussions about descriptive already and even inferential to the extent where regression and correlation, you may apply those. Okay? Don't be so afraid, no? In the interpretation. You can do the interpretation. Ako ha? Basta lang kayo dyan how they interpret data. No? Data analysis first, and then how do you actually interpret them. Madali lang. No? Hindi masyadong complicated. Huwag na. Okay? Huwag na masyadong complicated. Okay? The bottom line is that if you're there in the panel, you can answer direct, no? What is being asked from you. Especially in the quantity, no? The quantity, the values that they're gonna be asking you. Naku ha? Kasi sabi niyo, quantitative kayo. Or mix of the qualitative and quantitative. If you're quantitative, you can, no? You can actually interpret, no? Interpret what you have actually computed. No? That's quantity or quantitative. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye and happy ba ang tawag doon? Okay, dapat tayo ay mangilin. Okay, malalim na Tagalog yun, mangilin, no? Mangilin is actually a reflection. I do not know. It's really a reflection. Let's reflect on ourselves. I think that I will not be speaking to you anymore, but I want us to be actually reflecting on ourselves. No, we reflect on ourselves, and let's see. No, it's more of us talking about how do we deserve, how deserving we are, no, in front of God. Okay? Kasi syempre, we must respect, no? Namatay siya for us, no? So we respect, no? Those times like, it's really the Good Friday, 3 p.m., diba? He was dead. Okay, sacrificed. He sacrificed for us. So mangilin, mag-reflect naman doon, no? Hindi yung, kakantahan, mag-Holy Week, naku po, 3 p.m. na 3 p.m., Good Friday, naku po, no? From 1 p.m. to 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., yun po yung 7 last words niya. Totoo naman po yun, eh, no? Mararamdaman po naman natin. Sobrang init that time, no? Pag Friday. So, this is my last words to you. I will not speak anymore to you, but please attend tomorrow. No absent, no? Okay, bye-bye everyone.